Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna come here right quick and give you this 2-week update on this African Pride Black Castor Miracle Braid Lock and Twist Gel. And it's for the extra hold. I'm gonna let y'all look at it. Like I said, it's been 2 whole weeks, and as you can see, my retwist is holding up pretty good. Did it cause buildup? That would be the biggest question. So far, I'm not really seeing any. Do y'all see some? I don't think it caused any buildup, and it hasn't had my hair hasn't been dry either. That's the main thing I look for out of a gel, is make sure my hair stays moisturized, it don't dry out, and make sure that it actually holds and don't cause buildup. So far I don't think I've been having any buildup. And actually it's not even, my retwist ain't even crispy. It's like my hair is still soft right here. Like once the stuff, like, I guess, break down or something, I don't know, but it's been pretty soft. Like as you can see, you can even tell that it's puffing up some. It's not as, like it's puffing up like right there and all that. And it's been 2 weeks and my retwist is still going strong. I love it. About to turn around to the back so you can see the back, and I'm gonna let you look, get a good look. See that? It's been going pretty good, y'all. So would I use this product again? Actually, yeah, so far, yes, I think I will use this product again. I have enough of it still left because, and another thing I did like about it, it didn't take much. See, this is how much I used just for when I did this. And look how much I got left. I still get enough left. It doesn't take much at all. But the only hiccup that I did have was the whiteness of it a little bit, especially when my hair got cold with my air being on and stuff. But after, like, I think I only did that for like 2 days. Yeah, after that it ain't doing no more. I haven't had any trouble with it. So here you go, just letting you get a good look at that. That's the side. My retwist is still fresh and it hasn't like unraveled and stuff like that. And then actually I thought this was gonna be one of them hard crispy retwists, because when I first did it, it wasn't too hard and crispy. But I can honestly say that it is soft. My hair is so soft. And another thing too, when I say, like, when it gets like hot, like when I'm outside and it's hot and the sun hit it just right, I actually see the oils from the product on my lock. So, and I know it's the oil because I can tell when I like touching and stuff. So I think it having those oils in it really, well, it said it got oil in it. We finna see, sure. What are ingredients? Yeah, it got like coconut oil in it, castor seed oil, castor oil. It got some oils in it, so I can tell. I can really tell. So yes, I love this product. If you tried it, let me know. If you have any questions about it, let me know too. And that's pretty much it. This video is pretty short because I don't have any complaints about this product at all. It's been going good for your girl. I mean, look at it, and my hair is still, bouncy. It's not stiff at all. Like, even when I be walking, I be like, it be swinging. But yeah, like I said, I will use this product again. I was a little iffy at first, but now I'm like, now I got the hang of it, and I see that it's not give me any issues, I can definitely see myself using this product again. But the question is, would I use it all the time? Probably not. But I wouldn't mind adding it to my rotation. You know. Oh, and the biggest thing too, I didn't have any flakiness. It wasn't flaky. It was not flaky. So that's good. And for it to be 2 weeks too, like I had to give it to them. They did their thing. It's pretty good. I have no complaints. So if you, like I said earlier, if you have any questions, just drop it down below. And as always, thanks for coming by and watching my video. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Almost at 800 subscribers. Yay. Thanks for the support. And make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you can know every time me, your girl, the Curl Maverick, uploads a new video. And if you have any video suggestions, drop them down below or hit me up on any of my social media platforms. Peace. Talk to you later.